Hello, this is Telemere and welcome to another repair video. In this video, we are looking at this iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's got some issues. Now, I'm not testing just yet, mostly because I've already done a chunk of testing already, and I've already heated up the phone without thinking of testing, so let's just get into it. First thing I'm going to do, and it's going to sound weird, is I'm going to do a sniff test. The reason why is because I had a whiff of something from this phone when I was opening it up. Yeah, it smells okay. I just thought I'd smelled something that smelled like burnt electronics. And, I'm not sure. Let's do some testing. Let's just test it with a little bit of amperage. I already know that it will not pull any... already know that it won't pull a charge, but I thought I'd test again. Just circumstance-wise, where I was testing it, I wasn't as confident. So let's get that lightning port cable plugged in. Oh, it is it is. It wasn't doing this before. I don't understand why it's doing it now. This phone was not doing this. I swear it was not doing this before. It is interesting that it is going immediately into recovery mode. There is a possibility, I have seen it, where a phone after putting on the heat pad has turned on. So that is something to just consider. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to the side. I'm going to get a bit of a charge in it, and let's just see what it does. I want to have the phone completely cool down before I do anything further with this. It is taking 440 milliamps right now, and nothing more than that. Some other quick tests just for the sake of doing so. Test the charge port, see what it's showing. It's clear, looks fine, looks normal. And what does the Tristar tester show? Clear as well. That's about all the tests I can do right now. As you can clearly see, it is stuck. It is stuck in recovery mode. I'm gonna get some charge back into it. Well, I've had it here sitting for quite a while charging. It's still in this mode. Just turn it off. Unplugged, so there should be some juice left in it at this point. Just turn it back on, see what it does. Okay. From what I was able to see, there doesn't seem to be any issue with the charge port itself. Usually when I see something like this, my mind says, oh, there's something wrong with the charge port. Still might be, but from all my tests, it has shown that it is taking a charge. Let's just double check that. It is no longer taking a charge. What I can do is pop the battery out, or at least disconnect the battery and toss in another battery, and just see whether or not that makes any difference. Okay, let's disconnect that battery. So I have the lucky situation of being able to say that I have an original 14 Pro Max battery that I can use for testing. Let's see if that makes any difference. So I don't think this is gonna... I swapped the battery out, and now it's doing this. I'm gonna try swapping it back to the other battery, the original, and just see whether or not that one does the same thing. It's possible maybe that there is an issue with the battery. That one is... yeah, it's charging, kind of. After disconnecting it. Back up to the same thing as that battery. All right, okay. That is confusing. I think I'm gonna stick it onto my computer, and I'm just gonna see whether or not I can pull it out of recovery mode. And if that doesn't work, I can try just wiping the device, seeing whether maybe there is just a corruption inside the software. I'm a little bit hesitant to believe that, just simply because disconnecting the battery and plugging it back in again seemed to have actually made a difference, which is odd.
I've got a program called 3Tools that I can use to try to get that program to get this little guy out of recovery mode. So I'm going to try that. It is a program I don't really fully trust, so I do have it firewalled off on my computer. And if that doesn't work, I can use iTunes and see whether or not iTunes can reinstall the software. So we'll give that a go. Well, after further testing, I plugged it into the computer. I then did a restore and update, and it's working. I got to do a little bit more testing first before I can dive any deeper into it, whether or not it is doing what is expected to do. I don't know what to say. Something I could do immediately, just right now, and see if it makes any difference, is just unplugging the battery, and just plugging the battery back in and seeing whether or not that makes any difference. All I can think of that might have been the cause, maybe, is that the recovery that was done initially on this phone failed so drastically that it caused some sort of weird charging issue. I think that's far-fetched, but it's a possibility. It still turns on. I'm going to leave it for a bit. The phone, this is the other thing. The phone is warm from just being plugged into a computer and just pulling juice out of there and charging it, as well as flashing it, doing the recovery, restore, and update. So maybe the issue is not actually completely gone. So I'm going to leave it for a bit. We're going to see if there is any further issues, and we'll just have to see. And that really is all there is to it. I finished testing it, and it is working very well. It's still booting up fine. It's still charging fine. It is just very odd. I don't have an answer. I just went on to iTunes. I I just told it to do the update after I unplugged the battery, plugged back in, start charging again. And there it is. I don't have an answer. Just sometimes it just works. I don't know what else to say. So if you guys like the video, please do leave a like. And if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.